People, greetings. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotion. In this episode, Macka Diamond talks her history. Talks how she feels straight from her heart. Check it out. It's nice. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please.
Since we can't sleep, I forgot my bed by playing this song before I go to bed. How is everybody doing? Them think me done me just got. Anything them want to say, them have them out to laugh after them. Oh, Jaja bless, them no man cares. I mean some shame treated. Them want see me fall, but that can't happen. Me no sponge, me no soft cotton. God of my boss, Obama, me not shopping. So tell Wicked Heart, stop fighting me, cause people like the little light in me. Me cut off the links about biting me. The Judas, them weapons. Again, stop fighting me, cause people like the little light in me. Me cut off the links about biting. The Judas, them weapons. Them want to stop Macka, but every time they fight, they finally get hotter. Career I take off like JDF Chopper. Styles and lyrics, me have a lot of. Hey, you don't long me have them thing a long time. We know. In the ear the song I say, pull up, pull up, pull up. In the ear what year me do this song, yeah? You know what year me do that song, yeah? You know listen good and hear the year when me do that song, yeah? With that head of time. You know listen good what year me do that song, yeah? Listen good. Some angel, me see you, big up yourself. Tell me if you not hear it now. Them think me done me just caught. Anything them want to say, them have them out to talk. Oh, Jaja bless, them no man cares. I mean some shame treat them. So me pass the words, them want see me fall. But that can't happen. No, me no sponge, me no soft cotton. God of my boss, Obama, me not shopping. When me to a place, still a plotting. So tell Wicked Heart, stop fighting me, cause people like the little light in me. Me cut off the links about biting. Anytime them can't DJ like me, them can't get me out. Stop fighting me, cause people like the little light in me. Me cut off the links about biting. The Judas, them we been stifling. Them want to stop Macka, but every time them fight, them find me get hotter. Career I take off like JDF Chopper. Styles and lyrics, me have a lot of. So for the 14. On the year what say? On the year what say? You know a long we have them song with the head of them long time. Let me tell you something. Anytime them can flow and sing like me, then anytime you can flow like me and sing like me, you can't say my career done. My career can't done. It just begun. People don't listen, man. I know this year, you know. I know last year, you know. I know the time, you know. I know the time when me I feel the pain, them, you know. That song I come up, you know. I'm a bed man, go man. Let's go do something for the bed. Get me out, them think me done me just start. Anything them want to say, them have them out to talk. Oh, Jaja bless, tell no man curse. I mean some shame treated. So me pass the words, them want see me fall, but that can't happen. No, me no sponge, me no soft cotton. God of my boss, me not shopping. When me to a place, still a plotting. So tell Wicked Heart, stop fighting me, cause people like the little. Wanna hear more of the song? The video up on YouTube now. It's named Wicked Heart. Go and check it out. The Judas them we been stifling. Why? They want to stop Macka, but every time them fight, them find me get hotter. Career I take off like JDF Chopper. Styles and lyrics, me have a lot of. So for the 14. He said, for the 14, that's 2014. And it sounds wicked in 2020, don't it? So tell tell wicked heart. Stop fighting me, cause people like the little light in me. Me cut off the links about biting me. The Judas them were been stifling me. Stop fighting me, cause people like the little light in me. Me cut off the links about biting me. The Judas them were been stifling. Listen now. Them a crosses, so me cut all the losses. All the queen of England of the hands of
Ja! Who is the bosses?
so me a stick to me God way. I hope and pray. Say
Oh,
my time will
please.
speed
Oh,
away.
bad summer.
From like the rock of Gibraltar, the pagan can't stay. Tell wicked heart. Stop fighting.
No, sir. At the baddest song. We said at the baddest song. And the song do from 2014. From 2014 now. And from 2014 that song of the people. I couldn't go to bed without I couldn't hear that song. And it's up on YouTube now. I want to sit and go and listen to that song. Go and listen to that song.
Anything them want to say, them have them more to talk. How would I bless? Tell them no man.
Hold on there. You know much people buy some song and can't sing it back? Listen man, chop. Yo, me Steely, rest in peace. I remember Steely from Steely and Cleaver said, Maka, you're a bad artist. No, listen good. Them feel them get me out, them think me done me just start. Anything them want to say, them have them mouth to talk. Cause who judge a bless, tell them no man curse. And me say me shame treated, so me pass the worst, them want see me fall. But that can't happen, no, me no sponge, me no soft cotton. God on my boss, over man me not shopping. When me tour place still a flatten, so tell wicked heart. Stop fighting me, cause people like the little light in me. Me cut off the links about biting me. The Judas them were been stifling me again. Stop fighting me, cause people like the little light in me. Me cut off the links about biting. The Judas them were been stifling. Them want to stop Maka, but every time them find me get hotter. Career I take off like JDF chopper. Styles and lyrics me have a lotter. So for this 2020, money have to make, me don't have. Money have to make endorsing brands. So tell wicked heart, stop fighting me, cause people like the little lighting. Me cut off the links about biting me. The Judas them were been stifling me again. Stop fight. That's my look at my face ugly. I said I'm ugly in a car. When me DJ, I just ring out the lyrics and style them. Me no need not a glasses, we said them a crosses. All the losses. Queen of England of the answer to Jah. So tell me who the boss is. Me stand firm like the rock of Gibraltar. Wicked heart. Stop fighting me, cause people like the little light in me. Me cut off the links about biting. The Judas them were been stifling me. Stop fighting me, cause people like the little light in me. Me cut off the links about the Judas them were been. Them get me out, them think me done me just start. Anything them want to say, them have them thinking more to talk. No sir. Yeah, what happened? But it's a cheering up because the movies, you know? Tonight at the Macadocious movie. The popcorn over here. The Pepsi and them things there. I just some good love and vibes I make you know say. Music is what we do. Music is what we do. If me play some bully per song, you don't know say me it song them. You don't know the thing them. You don't know it going on people, you don't know it goes so. I give thanks to God because you know why I give thanks? A lot of people was started the business with me at the same time. Them not have no song, them not get no bus, them not enough people still a try for bus. And I'm grateful to God. You know, I'm grateful to God because He has given me my dream. I used to sit and say, Father God, you know me used to tell God, say, when me I grew up, I started to say, people, word is power, you know.
And one day, me go just, you know, me go become a motivational speaker for all of you. All of those, the weak heart people, them. Me have to go come and turn my motivational speaker for you. You know why? Me vision that from the other day, you know? So me need to step up and be a motivational speaker for you. You know why? Because me see enough people want to strengthen up. And not because me fall, and me go through what me I go through, me build up my meds. Me have to teach, you know, and I feel like me have to go groom a couple, you know. I remember when I was young, you know, and I used to look in the mirror and say, Father God, let me be a sexy woman. Let me have big bottom. Let me have small waist. Let me ever sexy. That's when I walk on the road. A lot of men call to me. And that happened for real, you know? I find myself to be one of the sexiest human beings on earth. I don't care what anybody wants about me. I have always been sexy. Men used to just date me just to bring me out with them. Just to make them friends to me because I was so sexy, small waist. And my body just big. I'm just sexy. So, you understand? I'm still grow. I'm still getting up in my age. I'm still nice and clean and sexy. And sometimes man look at me and say, girl, your skin clean, man, you're pretty, son. You know, the way, or sometimes some man talk about me when it come like, I just muggle them, just want to use me for just, you know, I'm just feel proud of myself. So sometimes the word is power. I will be powerful thoughts and the words that come out of my mouth. And you know, I always tell myself so, say I always want to be a sexy big woman. I want to be one of the prettiest big women on earth. I will never grow up and dress old. And that is what is happening. I will never try to look old, and I don't want to, and I'm not caring about age, and I'm just going to live. And this is what I'm doing. And God bless me because I claim it at a younger age. I'm never worry about it. I'm not get up every day and I wonder, oh, this woman here, I want, Lord God, me I get old. Lord God, my age I come up. Me not worry about them things, eh? Me never get up and worry about no girl have man and the man no want me and me feel threatened. Me don't know how to feel threatened. Me don't know how to feel threatened over a next man's success or a next man, a next girl beauty or something. Me don't know nothing about them something there. Me always just feel like me are the sweetest woman on earth and God bless me and no girl no nice like me and if one man go take a girl for me, it's for him problem. That not my problem. It's him have a problem, not me. It's either him can't manage the fuck. Me just have mash up him talk too much and him a dead and him can't manage me. So I have to go for a softer girl than me. Me not think that the girl is better than me. Because anytime them do them foolishness and me and them left them always a ball. All them always a mad. Me never think negative about myself yet. When a man give me a woman problem, it's for him problem that not mine. It's either him can't angle me. Me too hot for him. You understand? So people do not understand the level of a Macadai man. When you see me, when you see a woman that has prayed for success, I get up and I dream about this world, that I'm going to be a superstar. God has blessed me. And I thank him. And because me thank God, me used to tell God, say, God, if you give me a next #1 song, me I praise, me keep praising. People don't understand. You know, see me in my church clothes, me praise God every day. Everybody have them godly way, or them the things. And me know say God love me. Because enough time, me say me I go give up because me under the pressure. And when me look, one good Samaritan come, every time I say me I done the music, somebody come to keep me on the music. Somebody, but me look, some of the time I get all maybe one big check, or somebody just call me, put me on one big show, can me go to Costa Rica somewhere. Anytime I feel like me for give up, something big just happen for me in the music. So me just know something for just stay in it and nobody not forget me out until death do me a music part. Simple. And my life and my story is not normal. It is not normal. I used to sleep. I used to sleep into parties. I used to go to shows at night time and cannot go home until bus start to run. And when it's a lot of people nowadays, I'm getting opportunity good. Me used to go dance at night time and sleep on the chair them till daylight to take a bus go home. Me as a little girl on the road. Check it out, don't do the maths. I used to go to a lot of dance in a Linstead, Orchards, all about. I opened a some Clarendon bush. And I had to sleep on a chair. Turn the chair around, you know, turn the chair, the back of the chair, and put my head so. And sleep until the light to take a bus to go home. How much of who no do that? How much of who no we in at the fortunate time now we can get artists and somebody dropping up and taxi this and taxi money. I never used to get those opportunities. So I appreciate my sufferation. I used to have one shoes. I used to have to buy one black shoes. Because it go with everything. One black shoes. I used to have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday outfit. If me no wash pants Saturday, me can't come out of my house on Monday. Go on the studio. Check the maths. Me used to have what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it was one jeans. One, you know, back in the days, me asked my mother, it named Shelly and jeans. One blue Shelly and jeans me used to have, and one black shoes with one Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What a blouse, $100 blouse downtown. And if me no wash, on a Saturday, me can't come out of my house Monday morning, cause me not have no more clothes. Yeah? Some of the nobody feel like say, me just come and me get handout. Like, people get them handout and people bring them and people boot them and wear them. Nobody no boots me, nobody no give me nothing. Me work for this. Me work hard, sleepless night. Me I got Holy Child High School. People get the facts. It's Holy Child High School I used to go. I passed my common entrance and went to Holy Child High School. Let me tell you something about my when I took common entrance. I picked for Holy Child and Immaculate. Immaculate High School was my first choice. And Holy Child was my second choice. You know why they put me at Holy Child? Because I live in Portmore. I was a poor child. If me they come from uptown, I would go to Immaculate High. Because me mash up that the test there. Me mash up common entrance. That's because in the time when me reach a Holy Child, one of my friend them, we pick Holy Child and Immaculate like me, they never get none of those schools. Them send them Una Ghana, Wolmer's Ghana, Andrews Ghana all about. Transfer them because them not get no high mark. But then them people used to say, the way me a bad man, you know. After me a picnic them a bad man, you know. They pick them, I'm coming to say my mother went to ministry and buy it out. So a long time me I got through fight. Long time. Some of them say my mother done a ministry and she a buy out. That's a very rich at Holy Child High. No. And when me I graduated from Holy Child, I came second in my class. It's one girl named Diane Smith I couldn't beat. And me and her now with 90s a clap. And Diane beat me in one subject at 100. And when I'm at Holy Child High School, I can look at a computer right now and with my eyes closed and type every word on it. I was the fastest typist. Every word on a keyboard I know in my head. I was also swimming. I was in the swim team for Holy Child High School. I went to a lot of champs. When I want to know my history, every night I come back and go to my history. And when I was graduating from Holy Child High School, my swim teacher, Mr. Dukas, said, girl, you need to join the Jamaica swim team. Because you're one of the baddest. You know why me never want to bother with swimming? I had some girls on the team who come from uptown and said they're richer than me. And I get fight from all angles. You that one named Sophia Sulang. You hear her name? Rich people picnic, Sophia Sulang. She fight me left, right. After a long time I get fight. And then say me ugly. But here what happened to me. I was one sexy ass young girl. When they see me body cock up. Them dead. And I was ambitious. So ambition is the key. Meanwhile, when I that Holy Child High School, me had mash up every barbecue. I see Squidly rank some and all of them DJs come a barbecue and them something. And me decide to say, me, I have a boss one day. And this is what has happened. Me left big old high school. My big old business degree. You see, accounting, I can come to your business place and check out everything in your place and balance that account and tell you how much money you make. I'm not a normal person. That's why me come out and say, money, yeah. Me can't check all money without, we can't just check up a pile of money, so. And me can't tell you now how much. No. That's how dangerous me is. You understand? So, but me love music. And every day, me used to tell myself, say, why the hell am I coming out of the business there and it have so much wickedness and wicked people? I'm sorry. The money not sweet me in music. Me not work for money. Not for half of my life. Half of my life is not about money, you know. Because money is not my problem. Money is not my problem. I love myself and I love what I do. And because I love music, that's why I'm still here. I gave up a lot of life for music. And all of it has come back to me now. And I'm happy. I'm happy. Blood Clean, I shall find a song. No matter what they say about me, na. I love when I say, I love like a couple of hours, few hours still up tonight. My business, I always said, if I only have 5 fans, I love you. 10, 11, any amount I only love, I love you. Any amount I 8, I love you the same way. You understand? Yeah, man, go on in your bed, baby. I know I'm tired. I'm know the one like a mix up, but I just go on like a history. I'm gonna know say I know the mix up thing me in. Not me used to come on my live every night and I'm try for for sure to say. Me just want know say me appreciate. Me appreciate the 5, the 4, the 3, the 2, whatever. You understand? Last week I dropped one video last week Friday morning. This Friday, I drop a next one. I just work, I work. I just work. And nobody no work more than nobody. Me hear some people that talk, oh, this I want to work and they put in the work. And everybody work the same. The whole we work hard. All if it's just in one restaurant and there, it shows food to people. It's hard work. Everybody work hard. Right? We all work hard. I'm loving the guys. I'm thanking them for the support. And as I said, subscribe to my Vivo, Maca Diamond official Vivo. Please, me I beg you. Big up to all who show me the love and all who has been helping me through my career. You know, my ups and my downs. Me go through my downs and my ups and I'm still here and I'm still sounding good and I love it. I love the support. I love the people who are called on my phone. 1 million phone call and the encouragement, the outpouring of love. I love you. And I tell you, I'm not looking at the title. I don't want any title. I just want my music to sell for me to pay my bills. That's all. But someone wanting to support my music. I don't want to support too much of the mix up. And my music, I beg you for support. Please, I beg you. My music. Please, people, stop losing away. Jamaica people, stop losing away. One time gone in a Christmas, we are the biggest song around the place. The biggest, we're not on a stage show now, but no, it's the biggest mix up. No, man, come on, man, we could do better. In 2021, let us go back to where we roots and culture and we artist them and boost them up and support the music. Please, me I beg you. The music, me I beg you. People that want to dance, me going to one place where they are on African music alone. Me say I move my body and I make me a move. And one time I'm gonna dance all the way. You want to dance all the way, I will jump out and run gone. You understand what I'm trying to say? So we need to go back to them roots there and build back them thing there. You understand what I'm trying to say to you? Me I beg on the people. Me could bring back the music, man. Me could bring back our music so we can, even if I in our house we lock down for now, we can lock down and still full job with music. So me I beg on to go over to the Vivo channel, subscribe. And this week I'm gonna drop my new song. It's called Independent. Independent ladies, walk out. Independent ladies, you get your hairstyle done, nails them do. Independent, you know, depend bamboo. When Friday come, I'm not going to hear the rest of it. I would like Stacey, big up yourself. I'm not going to hear the whole like this Friday. I know say, I dropped something last week Friday. Check out the Money song. Everybody knows that the Pink Pearl on the #1 song already. I don't know that already. Girl, you are Miss World. I have a special going on for the dub. I'm going to pay $150 for a dub. I'm going to get the Pink Pearl for free and a dub. I have that special dog going. So more people them check out that also. You understand? So we are trying to just know say we are kind of make the we don't want to get up. After Sunday me get up and me hear one bag and mix up. Me could kind of change it a little bit. Please me a beg you. I could deal with music. Let me see if I can open the phone here and play the girl them song before I go on my bed. Because I want to sleep tonight and my phone still a ring. And I say, I'm going to come off of the phone. I talk to people from all over the world. People just call me. And I love them, say me. But we could just, we're going to end it tonight and the music we're going to deal with. I'm going to find Maca Diamond Vivo. On the Vivo, I'm wanting to subscribe. So these are the songs. These are the songs where everybody, all of the girls them love right now. You know, so we have to get the ads them and the ads them are cover first. I remember someone to see the ads them come up on the Vivo them. Watch the ads them because that's so we get our money. Alright? When you're ready now, drop the fire them for the girls them song now. Hey, when you ready ladies? Hot girl, you are Miss World. You take care of your people. Hot girl, you are Miss World. What I must say? I just do me everything where every man a dreamer. Bring it on and get the boom boom steam out. Me something fresh, me make sure everybody freeze out. We have something funny. Goody walk and scream out. Life was silent like it's a beam mode. Regular me get the boom boom steam out. The pink pearl it's refreshing. Have man a swear and I say me can't let him. Not to go to church, come and done have the blessing. You're me and yes, from my salad dressing. Me have the thing to make you stop get depressing. Have to see the pink pearl just refreshing. Harassing, caressing, impressing. Having pan lock down, no girl can't. I just do me everything where every man a dreamer. Sky darling, big up. Boom boom steam out. Me something fresh, me make sure say it breeze out. Goody walker. Somebody said pull up. Look at the man. I'm sending the video them man. Tomorrow I'm see some more new video with the Pink Pearl challenge. I'm gonna send in the video them. I'm gonna post them and have fun with music. And music fun we want have man. Hey. Hot girl, you are Miss World. Take care of your people. Hot girl, you are Miss World. What am I say? I just do me everything where everyone a dreamer. Breaking on me get me pum pum steam out. Me stop my fresh, me make sure say it breeze out. Goody walkers. No sir, they pull up them too much. They pull up them too much. I the #1 song this now. For 2020. Them said 2020 is a bad year. No. Maka fine it not 2020. Me fine everything. Everything we fine. Hot girl, you are Miss World. You take care of your people. Hot girl, you are Miss World. Yeah man, share up the live, share it up. I just do me everything where every man a dream of. Regular me get me boom boom steam out. Me stop my fresh, me make sure say it breeze out. Goody walkers. Whoa, I hope a pussy them say stink. Hey, and my one. You ready? I want the girl them they want to take care of them pink pearl. You can just imagine the selector them at the party them and them drop that song. Eh? Chop.
Healthy.
Hot girl, you are Miss World.
Take care of your people. Hot girl, you are Miss World.
What am I say?
I just do me everything where every man a dream of.
Regular me get me boom boom steam out. Me stop my fresh, me make sure say it breeze out. Goody walkers scream out. Life was silent like Miss Abimo. So regular me get me boom boom steam out. Me pink curl it refreshing, refreshing. Have man a sphere and I say me can't let him. Not to go to church cause me don't have the blessing. You're mayonnaise for my salad dressing. Look here, same like when I say pull up. I saw that song I can't stop pull up for you. Anyway me go that song I can't stop play. So you know about real music and art music because yo, chap.
Hot girl, you are Miss World.
Take care of your people. It no matter who want over here, much people want over here. Tomorrow them will watch it back.
I just do me everything where every man a dream of.
You know, so I mix up. If me over here, I take up my blouse and show my breast like this. It's coming out on a brother. So my skin pretty, girl skin pretty. Oh gosh. Woo! Life not. No, I'm gonna realize I said my skin pretty. Whoa!
Refreshing.
I'm gonna swear and I said me can't let him.
Not to go to church, come and done have the blessing.
You're mayonnaise from my salad
Dressing. Me have the thing to make you stop get depressing. Have to assist in the pink.
Yeah, be showing my breast right now. And whole heap of people come over here and say, Maka over there show her breast. See that? Hey.
I just do me everything where every man a dream of.
Remember, say, on Boxing Day, because if I change the date, it was Christmas Eve, but on Boxing Day, I'm going to be performing live on Daydreams IG Live, okay? Don't forget that, people, it's all about the Pregnant Mothers in Need Foundation, and we're going to need some donation that day, okay? Daydreams is supporting the foundation, and I'm going to be performing live for you guys on Boxing Day at 9 p.m. And then, you know, I'm not telling that part there yet. I'm not telling you that yet. You understand? Not telling that part there.
Make sure say I the girl them they want take care of them pink pearls.
Yeah, the person watch you. Yeah, man, if you just show them my breast, well, I want to come over here.
Healthy. Hot girl, you are Miss World.
Vibes Cartel was here. I look on my breast. And they say, when they say my one song with them, Maka titty them.
I just do me everything where every man a dream of.
Regular me get me boom boom steam out. Me stop my fresh,
Me make sure say it breeze out. Goody walkers.
me and somebody said these comments. Lord
I
God.
the girl them they want take care of them pink pearls.
We don't want no distraction. We don't have time for you. Go where now go. Anyone who want go. Hot girl, you are Miss World.
Take care
The
of your
5 loyal people, them are 2 loyal people, them are good.
What am I say? I just do me everything where every man a dream of.
Regular me get me boom boom steam out.
Me stop my fresh, me make sure say it breeze out. Goody walk and scream out. Life not silent like Miss Bean mode.
So regular me get me boom boom.
Steam out.
I went for ask me wash my pants them.
Have man a spear and a summer
You want watch them for me?
Not to go to church, come and done have the blessing. You're mayonnaise from my salad
You want
dressing.
one of my pants them
Me have
or
the
what?
thing to make you stop get
Papa
depressing.
shot to you. You want one of my pants to wash? A panty free up on the line today. Having pan lock down, no girl can't take him. I just do me everything where every man I dream of. Regular me get me boom boom steam out. Me stop my fresh, me make sure I say it.
Breeze out.
Goody walkers.
Scream out. Life was silent like Mr. Bean mode.
Yeah, teeth soon drop out. No worry, baby. Rabbit took for 170-year-old after having fast teeth. And I leak like when I struck a pop. So girl, walk out from your pink pearl tight. Walk out in your green like Sprite. Take a snap, take a and bright topping. Bamba clean. Regular me get me pum pum steam out. Me stop my fresh, me make sure say it breeze out. Goody walk and scream out. I just me drop a song last week Friday and I go on. Girl, I love money like me, say money. You know what? But I just try to give myself the vibes to go on my bed, and the only thing I could do is do it myself. And that's what I've just done. I love you guys. I love you all. Enough love. Keep praying for me. Keep praying with me. I don't know. Big up on yourself. No, no, it go. Big up on yourself. Nobody freak up on yourself, right? Enough love. So, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. This was the next episode of the Macadocious History. Coming up next. You understand?
All right, there you have it. The legend is spoken. You know, she had to talk to things, give her history, you know, clear the air with good vibes. Like, subscribe, and share. All right? Dread out for now.